Have you ever dropped like a really loved, doesn't have to be expensive, but like a loved powder and you're just feeling all the regrets in your life at once?
No, but I have been in a store and dropped them and then put them back.
That's not the same. You're not emotionally and also financially invested in that product at that point.
So today we bought a bunch of like random makeup products that we're going to destroy and then try and put back together. So I'm super excited to see if this really works, but I'm also super excited to just destroy some makeup because I've never done that on purpose before.
So here we have step one, which is this little tiny, I guess a grinder, where you put all the makeup powder from the makeup you just dropped and use this little black piece to just like massage it in. You have your pan in your little presser section, you put in all the powder. Depending on how big the pan inside is, how much product you're using, you're gonna put 1 to 2 sprays of this little binding solution. Take your little shapes and you're gonna press it down onto the table until you feel like you've gotten that even press all around. Once that's done, you're ready to go. Your makeup is newly fixed. Look at that.
Wow. Ooh, that is a nice color. Ooh, baby, I love your highlight.
Even though there is a lot of product and stuff left over, we aren't repotting these things into their original packaging. Obviously, they're a little bit smaller, more shallow, so not all of the product is gonna fit into them. But that's totally up to you. If you don't want to use the pans that the Fixy kit comes with, you can totally just repackage this stuff in its original packaging. That beautiful rose blush that we destroyed. Still feeling kind of bad about it. Done. Worked amazingly.
Yeah, it looks like literally like a normal blush would in a tiny little pan.
Yes.
I'm impressed. Color me impressed. Look how flat that is. It is flat, baby.
I feel like we're getting quicker as this goes on.
Yeah, like this is definitely something that there's a learning curve, but it's not a very steep one.
Another really cool thing about the Fixy makeup fixing kit is that you can make kind of like these Franken products with it. So let's say you dropped a blush, also have a little spare eyeshadow left, don't know what to do with it. You can actually combine things to make a whole new makeup product. Different colors, different textures. If something's matte that you want it to be a little more shimmery, vice versa. So we're gonna combine these two shimmer shades in with this blush and just make it into an eyeshadow. Let's see what happens.
Ready to reveal our Franken shadow?
Let's see.
She's cute. I really like her.
I say that Fixy was great. I very much enjoyed using it, and it totally worked.
Yeah, fully in support of the Fixy. So fun, a genuinely enjoyable experience. You take the thought of breaking makeup, which is heartbreaking, and you turn it into this like fun, crafty ASMR session, and it is delightful.
We did run into a little bit of difficulty with the more creamier products, but in the end, they all came out so good.
It made everything bind together so quickly, and it was so usable immediately. There was no residue left over. It gives you exactly how much you should be spraying on.
By the way, the Fixy can be cleaned with just a sponge and dish soap. So even though we were cleaning it out a bunch of times to do all the different products that we did here, it was super easy to clean.
Genuinely enjoyable experience, and it has great results.